Getting ready to set the Christmas tree up for this year. It's always a task. I've always got to move stuff all around to get to what I need. The tree is already out, so let's go ahead and start getting all the other stuff out of the way so we can make room. Don't need that. Or that. Boy, what a task every year. Let's see. This goes around the tree. What do you guys think about this? Do you have nightmares getting things ready for Christmas? Here's another small tree here. This is Halloween stuff because it's in orange. What we got here? Christmas stuff. Let's get this out. Well, it's amazing how much stuff can be stashed back here. Some of the stuff we won't actually use, but you don't know till you take it out. This goes outside on the door and more stuff falls. Guys, the worst part about all this is putting everything back when Christmas is over. Oh, what do we got down here? Christmas. Jeez. Oh. I don't see how people do that extravagant stuff. There's some boxes left over from last year. And go ahead and wrap some gifts. Hell, this will save me a trip to the dollar store. Put that over there. Let's get this out of here. Christmas will be on the bottom down here. What's this? Oh boy. Something goes around the tree. Oh. Jeez. Let's see. Halloween not needed. This isn't needed. Fall not needed. Well, one more box down. And what is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is the box with all of the Christmas ornaments throughout the years that we saved up, that the boys done, and stuff like that. This one's heavy. Woo. Huh. Any more Christmas stuff that we actually could use now? No? Okay. So now I pretty much gotta get everything upstairs, which is gonna really be the fun part, guys. Get everything upstairs. Oh well. It's a wonderful life. Well, I've officially boxed myself in down here. Where's Liam when you need him? That I got everything up here, looks like the boss is taking over. Apparently, all she needed me for was the grunt work. Well, we'll see how this goes. I bet she'll need me again. Just wait for it. I bet you'll need me soon. Right now, guys, take out the time to like, subscribe, and share. We appreciate it. It really helps the channel. Merry Christmas from the Randolph family. I'd like to thank you guys for taking out the time to watch our video and to wish all of you a Merry Christmas. Christmas by day and Christmas by night. Here we go, all lit up. Merry Christmas to all. Don't forget to share, like, follow, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.